Dave here, how are you? I'm gripping one side parallel to a face I've already dressed by hand on this dirty big 10 by 2 4.6 meter long length of cypress pine. Now I don't have a track for my track saw that is that long, so I need to do some joins. I don't normally like to do joins, but in this situation I have to. Now of all of the guide rail joiners, these are the duck's guts. Now these are the TSO GRC 12 revision C. Now the good thing about these is they have a tapered section, both sides, that as you tighten these grub screws, it pushes down on a nice big flat surface on the base. So it's really good. It's not going to deform the track at all. And the other good thing is, as you push it down, as you tighten it up, it pushes it up perfectly into the T-track on the guide rail. And I'll show you that. I'll bring the camera in a little bit closer and you can watch it go together. I slide it in. Release that just a little bit. So I'm halfway through. And as I tighten this up, it's pushing down on that nice big bearing surface at the base and then up into there perfectly. Now, all the other ones I've seen tend to wobble around a little bit in the T-track. I'll do the other side too, so you can see it's not just that one point that we're talking about. Okay, so there it is. Slide it in until we're center. Tighten her up. And absolutely no wobble. Beautiful. Let's get the other track and put it on. We'll flip her over, slide her in. Look at that. Now I can use another track on the back here. So I could leave these just ever so slightly loose and I can put another track against the back, or I can use a really high quality straight edge, which I'll put there. And you can see straight away, they're perfect. I haven't done anything, and have a look at that. Beautiful. We'll tighten it up. Flip her over. That's all good. Tighten it up. There we go. So now I have a much longer track, and I might even have to put a little bit more here. Affiliate links in the bottom. Full disclosure, I do have an affiliation with TSO products because they're the best. That's why I do it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you next time. Bye.